Hello viewers, welcome back to IT System Admin. If you want a faster, more customizable browsing experience on your MacBook, this video is essential to help you download and install Google Chrome on Mac the right way without mistakes. Let's get started. Open Safari, the default browser of your Mac PC. In search type Google Chrome for Mac and hit enter. Scroll down. Here you will find Google Chrome for Mac download. Click on this link. Scroll down again and you will find Google Chrome for Mac. Click on free download button. Close Opera download window. Again click on free download button. Download is started. Download is finished. Click on download icon on upper right corner and click to open in folder. Close Safari browser and the Chrome pop-up window will open. Drag Chrome icon and drop in the folder below, copying Google Chrome to Applications. Chrome is added in Applications. Close File Explorer and close Chrome window. Click on Spotlight, search and type Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome and Chrome is added on dock. Now it's verifying Google Chrome. A pop-up menu will open, notifying you that Google Chrome is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click on Open. Finally, Google Chrome browser is launched on your MacBook. Now you can enjoy faster browsing, more customization, and all your favorite Chrome features. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.